Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to verify ID in Depop. So when you sign up for Depop and you create a seller's account, you don't need to verify your ID straight away. They will send you a link once you use a email address so they can verify the email address, and that is the only thing that they require from you at the start. The other thing to do is go into my Depop, go into my account, go to two-factor authentication, and then enabling this will verify your phone number. So once you have done these two things, that means that your phone number and email address is verified. So the only other time that you need to verify yourself is when you are an active seller on Depop and you are making over a specific threshold. So different countries will have a different threshold depending on their specific laws regarding tax. So, for example, Canadian sellers who make over the threshold set by the CRA of 2,800 Canadian dollars need to verify themselves for tax purposes for their government. And it says here, if you meet the criteria above, we will send you an email with a link to a form to fill in the Depop app. So unless you're making over a specific threshold regarding your country that you're in, you do not need to verify anything else. And these are some of the things that they will ask you regarding your information, regarding your business. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Speak to you soon.